Dear students, you know that English language is a foreign language, and due to that one, a lot of difficulties are there. In many words, some letters are silent. Because of that one, we face a lot of problem when we pronounce them, and especially those who are beginner in English language, they face a lot of problem. So today I will tell you some tips that will help you how to pronounce those words properly and how to recognize when which letter is going to be silent. Whenever two consonants are found together in any word and before or after a vowel is there, in that condition one consonant is silent, and maximum of time the first one is silent, but sometime the second one is also silent. This formula will help you at some places, but not for all places. For that one, I will give you some more rules and regulation, some more tips that will be very valuable to you. You are going to find out when the letters are silent in the words and how to pronounce those words which are very difficult in the pronunciation. The rule number first: when consonant B is silent, whenever B comes after M or before T, B is often silent. As CLIMB, climb, not climb. COMB, comb, not comb. CRUMB. Here B has given after M. It's why B is silent. So it is crumb, not crumb. BOMB. It is bomb, not bomb. THUMB. It is thumb, not thumb. DUMB. It is dumb, not dumb. LAMB. It is lamb, not lamb. DEBT. It is dat. Dat means curves, read. It is not dat. Rule number 2. When consonant C is silent, whenever C is found before Q or after S, C is silent. As ACQUIRE, acquire. Here C has come just before Q, it's why C is silent. Next, seizures. Here C has come after S, it's why C is silent. Next, muscle. MUSCLE. Here C has come after S, it's why C is silent. Next, SCENT, scent. Next, SCENE, seen. Next, SCIENCE, science. Dear students, one exception is there of this rule. Whenever we write scooter, SCOOTER, in that condition C is not silent and we read scooter, not shooter. Rule number 3. When consonant D is silent. Dear students, if D is found before G, D is silent. As example, EDGE. It is, not a days. H-E-D-G-E, Hege. L-E-D-G-E-R, leisure. G-R-U-D-G-E, grudge. Grudge means iritia. B-U-D-G-E-T, budget. B-R-I-D-G-E, breeze. And K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E, knowledge. In one more condition, consonant D is silent. Whenever in any word D is found after N, D is silent. Whenever D is found in any word after N, D is silent, as H-A-N-D-S-O-M-E. It is handsome, not handsome. Next word, S-A-N-D-W-I-C-H. This is sandwich, not sandwich. Now, rule number 5. When consonant G is silent. Really, it is very important. Dear students, whenever G is found before N in any word, G is silent. As S-I-G-N, shine, C-A-M-P-A-I-G-N, campaign, F-E-I-G-N, fain, G-N-A-T, night. Night is something new word. It means mosquito. F-O-R-E-I-G-N, foreign, G-N-A-W, no. This is not gnaw. Here G has come just before N, it's why G is silent. So G-N-A-W is no. No means kutarna. R-E-I-G-N, this is reign. Reign means to rule over, shashan karna. R-E-S-I-G-N, resign. D-E-S-I-G-N, design. Now, rule number 6. When GH is silent. Yes, students. Now I am going to tell about two letters. Sometime GH are found together and both are silent. If at the last of any word GH or GHT is found, in that condition GH is silent. As example, H-I-G-S-T, height. Here GH is silent. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. W-E-I-G-S-T, wet. T-H-O-U-G-H, though. S-I-G-H-T, sight. T-E-L-I-G-S-T, delight. T-A-U-G-S-T, taught. T-H-O-U-G-S-T, thought. B-R-O-U-G-S-T, brought. B-R-I-G-S-T, bright. N-I-G-S-T, night. M-I-G-S-T, might, etc. So, in all the above words you have seen, GH has been given at the last of word or GHT has been given. In both conditions, GH is silent. Dear students, there is one exception of this rule. In some rare case, GH gives the sound of for, and in that condition, GH is not silent. As L-A-U-G-H. So here GH gives the sound of for, laugh, R-O-U-G-H, rough, C-O-U-G-H, cough, etc. Now, next rule, when consonant L is silent. Dear students, L silent is very important for you because it is found in maximum of words that are used in our daily life. Whenever L is found before M, F, K, D, in that condition, L is silent. As example, CALF, cough, not calf. CHALK, chalk. HALF, half. TALK, talk. YOLK, yolk. Yolk means students अंडे की जर्दी. WALK, walk. SALMON, shaman. Once more, SALMON, shaman, not salmon. Next, PALM, palm, not palm. PSALM, this is psalm. Psalm means, dear students, bhajan. CALM, calm. BALM, bomb. SHOULD, should. COULD, could. FOLK, folk. Folk means jan samuh. Dear students, now rule number 8. When consonant N is silent, if N is available in any word just after M, N is silent. Once more, if in any word consonant N is available after M, N is silent. As example, COLUMN. This is column. Here N has been given after M. It's why N is silent. Next example, CONDEMN. Condemn. Condemn means ninda karna, not condemn. DAMN, dam. SOLEMN, sholem. HYMN, hymn. AUTUMN, autumn. Dear students, today I have told you 8 rules to find out the silent letters in words. Now 8 more rules are there that I will tell you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.